We're in Paul's garage and he's assembling another working Lombard. So this will be only the fourth Lombard we know of that actually runs. These are the side frames. Paul has done some welding to make these straight one-piece units. The differential case. Here's a lag. More differential case. These are the sprockets for the track. Sprockets. This is the ultimate do-it-yourself process. This is the crankshaft. Flywheel weights. Two different designs. One's open and then the newer one is closed in. These are the original engine castings. And here's a wide frame differential. A little bit unusual. Most of them are more narrow on the new machines. This is the steering gear. Oh, and Stevenson linkage. Engine parts. A lot of Stevenson linkage parts too. This is a Lombard steering wheel and steering gear. This is a wood block on the front where the steering system is mounted. This bolts onto the frame rails. It's made of oak. Valve chest. These are the D valves that let the steam come into the engine. They've all been ground beautifully smooth. On the other side there are seals that are cast iron and spring loaded. They move up and down to affect sealing. This is a cast iron seal set for the D valves. These are the covers for the steam chest. Again, all beautifully ground smooth. Jeffrey Chain made the original chains and donated a new chain set for this restoration.